think this is the chase. It's time for some superhero-type music, Melomot.
Right.
Monster alien. They say he's from a planet far away. Got a ghoulish grin, but he doesn't want to play. He just likes to scare you in his own special style with his scary stare and his slimy smile. Got lost in the Milky Way. Came to Earth on a holiday. Just wants to have some spooky fun. When you see him, better run. Monster alien. Monster alien. Monster alien. Monster alien. Monster alien. Monster alien.
Hey, this is where we saw the alien.
Like it's time for the chase. Start the music, Scoob.
Right, Blackie.
Late in the evening when the sun goes down,
You might hear the twang of a spooky sound.
goes the guitar in his bony hand.
He's the biggest star in a haunted band.
When you hear his laugh, you know right away.
The closer rock and roll's just come to play. Spirit of rock and roll, he's coming to play a haunted show. He's ready to scare you, don't you know? 'Cause he's a spirit of rock and roll. Spirit of rock and roll. He's got a greenish and ghastly glow. Well, he's ready, don't you know? 'Cause he's a spirit of rock and roll. Spirit of rock and roll, the spirit of 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 rock and roll. He's ready to scare you, don't you know? 'Cause he's a spirit of rock and roll. Rock and
To make you kids extinct.
It's Chickenstein!
Oh boy, it's time for us to exit stage left. Somebody start the music.
Thanks, Wilma.
Seven feet tall, with a kooky cluck. When you hear his call, you'd better duck.
made of frightening things and weirdo wings. Please take our word, he's a haunted bird. Chicken, oh chicken son, created by a fiendish mastermind, the fiercest fowl you'll ever find.
His name's Chickenstein.
Chicken, oh chicken stein. Scooby Doo 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 Scooby Doo 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 doo. With a snap of his beak and a noisy whack,
Jeez.
he just might eat you up for a midnight snack. Chicken, oh chicken stein. He's cool, a ghoulish friend of mine, the fiercest fowl you'll ever find.
Oh, his name's Chickenstein.
Chicken, oh chicken stein.
Like Granny Sweetwater sure got a lot of neat stuff in her basement.
Oh, see?
Like I'll ring the doorbell.
No, I'll ring the doorbell.
Like if that puppy's gonna do it, then I won't do it.
Well, I won't do it either.
Thank you, Velma.
Hey, don't worry, you guys. I'll handle Shockula.
We interrupt a pup named Scooby Doo for a special announcement. The frightful reaction you are about to see is performed by professionals. Do not try this at home. Thank you.
Let's get out of here!
expression. He's got lots of legs and a ghoulish toasted bun. He's coming round just to have some spooky fun. Silly sauce and cheese, pickles if you please. Haunted hamburger, oh, haunted hamburger won't be late for a spooky, ghouly, ghastly date. If you see him, just don't hesitate. Better run and hide. Oh, he's got a ghostly appetite for some scary fun around midnight. He's a goofy, spooky sight. Haunted hamburger. Have it. Gotta have a haunted hamburger. Haunted hamburger.
That was close. Don't worry, Daphne. I'd like to see it look me in the eyes.
You asked for it.
Can we start the music now?
Starting music.
He's shiny and ghastly, got a power over me. They say that he's rust resistant, I say that he's cool. She's got a crush on him, he's got such metallic skin. Who's made of terrible transistors that goes berserk at work. Micro monster.
Shh! You've got to be quiet in the library. That's better.
He's nasty and he's so tall.
He's creepy, girl, don't you know?
He never returns my call, but I love him so.
She's got a crush on him. He's got such metallic skin. He's made of terrible transistors that goes berserk at work.
Micro monster. Micro monster.
Good going, Scooby!
That was nothing.
Monsters all over the place. Not the kind you wanna meet. Lots of spooky spirits near. With some scary fangs I fear. Someone's behind all this. A strange mad scientist. Walks like a mad scientist. Talks like a mad scientist. Must be a mad scientist. Look out when she's coming. Look out when she's coming. Look out when she's coming.
Like that was a narrow escape.
And we still don't know who she is and what she wants. I'm ready. You can start the music now.
Look out when the circus comes around. They say that's where he lurks around.
I knew it. My hair's a mess again. That's better. You can start the music again.
Got a ghoulish evil nose, a super bad guy down to his toes. He knows just where to find you. Don't look, he's right behind you. Listen, we must remind you, just beware. He's a ghastly, ghostly comedian. Don't laugh when you're feeding him. Be nice to bite when you're feeding him. So take care. He's a clown ghost. So take care. He's a clown ghost. Do 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 do. Clown ghost. Do 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 do. Clown ghost. Do 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 do. Clown ghost.
But, like, where should we look next?
It's me. How about right here?
We interrupt a pup named Scooby Doo for this important announcement. If the groovy rock and roll music you are about to hear really turns you on, feel free to get down and boogie. Yee-haw! Thank you.
From the mist of a cold, dark night, he will creep through the gloom just to cause some fright. Do, 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 do. Came to life on a weird, ghastly day. Got a wild, goofy rogue and a strange, wacky way. Do, 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 do. He's spooky, so kooky, horrible hairnet. He's after you, gets it. We dig, big wig, a haunted hairpiece on his head. So cool, no fool. He's out to haunt you, big wig. Big wig.
Wow, that was close.
Like it's time for the official Commander Cool Music Band.
Ready? Right, guys.
Haunted heifer, ghostly ghoul. He's a grad of scary school. 1,000 pounds of haunted flesh. Goofy and
Hello?
all the rest. Jimmy and a wrestling, yeah. Flew in from Transylvania. Got a nasty attitude. He's so spooky, really rude. When the bell sounds, you will know it's time for his ghastly show. On the ropes or in the ring, he will haunt most anything. Oh, slimy sleeper holds him down. He's a hood and haunted cow.
And besides, Scoob, you wouldn't look so bad if you were big and hairy.
Yeah, just look at him.
Let's get out of here!
Like it's time for the romp, Scoob. Start the music.
Right, righty.
Let's boogie, Scoobert.
You got it, Mom.
Once there was a wolf so nasty and mean, the spookiest that you've ever seen. Chasing good guys was his only dream. He's a way to run.
Where do more?
He's a weirdo.
Where do wolf?
Yeah.
I've got some really important information for you.
What is it? Has the creature been seen?
Yes, it has.
Where?
Right behind Shaggy and Scooby.
Let's get out of here!
Like it's time for the romp, Scoob. Start the music. Right.